Here's the app called Netspend Wallet, Money Manager and Budget Planner. So just tap Get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. So yeah, that's what it is. Take control of your financial future with Netspend's new app. Everyday spending just got a lot easier with a Netspend Visa prepaid card or Netspend All Access account. With direct deposit, you have a convenient way to add funds to your account while also getting paid up to 2 days faster. With the Netspend mobile app, you can manage your account wherever you go. You control everything right from your phone. Check your account balance and transaction history. Your money is safe with us. So yeah, just open it up and here you have that. So you can just allow it. And then let's get your money going. Be on your way to getting paid up to 2 days faster. And then you can just tap sign up, first, last name, email. Or if you already have a card, existing cards purchased at retail locations or through Netspend.com need to use the Netspend Classic app. So yeah, that's basically how you can get started. There is some more info. So that's it is.